Hello guys, this is Herman again in another Just My review, and as you guys see me, I'm sweating a lot because I just came back from work and the weather here in Jersey is real hot right now. We're passing the 100 degrees, and guys, this weather is when we have to take care a lot. In this extreme weather, take care a lot of our seats, our leather seats. And when it's so cold and when it's so hot is when you gotta watch out your seats. And well, I'm using a formula that I'm gonna show you guys real quick, and that's how I maintain my seats without wrinkles and damages and all that area that usually as soon as the leather breaks, that's it. This is basically you can do anything. I find out that with the professionals in leather, and they explain me that they tell me you gotta take care of the leather before the wrinkles start, because after that, that's gonna be kind of hard, and the seat can be damaged by the use. Now let me show you guys my Ridgeline got almost a year and a few months, and I get it in May, and basically I'm gonna show you guys most of the time the areas we gotta take care. Trucks in any vehicle basically is this area right here, and as you guys can see, you guys see this area real good. Basically no wrinkles at all, and I'm telling you, this is a year and few months old, and usually this area right here is the area you start getting wrinkles right over here, and then this area right here, and then you guys start noticing in this area. But if you start taking care, don't wait until you say, well, my pickup truck or my car is brand new, I don't have to take care of my seat because it's basically new. As soon as I start watching any wrinkles or something like that, then I'm gonna start using the products to keep it in place. Now you gotta take care of your seats if you wanna keep it in a good and looking almost basically new every single time, and the only way to do that is giving the maintenance the seats deserve and need, before the wrinkles start happening. And as you guys can see, look at this. This is beautiful right here. As you guys can see, this is completely beautiful right here. You guys don't see anything in the seat. As you guys see, this is well maintained. And these areas right here, I put a lot of this product I told you. And some guys do massage and do this and that. Everybody got a different technique. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna show you guys right here, and this are basically the products I use. Okay, let's go back to the front. This is what I use. Yes, this little guy, Leatherique, this is for me the best product to keep your seats. And some guys use just this. It's a lot of videos. You guys got a different ways to use this product. You guys can check a different guys in YouTube, and you guys will see how they do it. They pull it out the seats, they clean it with water and soap, and then they apply this and they match it. Basically they do a massage with basically your bare hands, and you do a massage on the seat and let it sit for 1 or 2 days, and then the seat looks amazing, right? But basically that's the way they do it to restore the seat. Basically I'm avoiding all that because I keep my seats always very basically with oil, and you have to keep it basically with this lubrication, let's say like that, in the seat, because it's gotta be basically like when you see your wife using those creams to the skin to avoid wrinkles, or even men. That's the same way we gotta keep the seats. You gotta keep this kind of oily thing, and it's no any strong smell in this product, but this is for me one of the best things, and you guys can check it out right there. Let me just get closer a little bit. You guys can see the name. Just look for this name in Amazon, and you guys can see the price is like I don't remember if it's $30 something for 2 bottles for the cleaner, and for this one I just use this one because I basically, if I have to clean my seat, I use water and soap, but basically that's the only thing I use to keep my seats in mint conditions. And I mix it with Mcguire's Ultimate Leather Balm, and I use this applicator. You guys can get these applicators at your AutoZone, or you can get it on Amazon too. And the thing I do, I just put some drops in here and mix it all, and I do that kind of a nasty mixture. And you know, I just give a nice massage. Just the thing I do, I'm gonna show you guys a real quick right here. And basically I just with this, let me take it inside, and I'm gonna show you guys how do I do it. And basically the thing I do right here is just get it like this, and as you guys can see, I'm generous putting this, and I push it in, and you know, until you see all the product is going inside, and let all those fibers and everything inside the leather get soaked with this product, and let it soak everything. And you guys will see, if you guys do this basically like 3 times a year. I try to do it, you know, every time I notice my seats a little bit dry, like you see it looks good, but I just notice like it's a little bit dry. I try to put a little bit of this, and they love it. Honestly, my seats love this. And you know, I just give this little massage. As you guys can see, look at these areas like that. Well, I just try to push it in again, and you know, I just push it in, and do this little massage with the with this Leatherique and the Mcguire's. And you know, I just let it sit in there, and pass it all over the place real good, and let it sit. And you guys will see that never you guys see any problems. This area right here is basically the normal part of with the seat, and it's not a wrinkle, as you guys see right there. This is part of the normal part of the track. And you know, you just massage this all over the place. And then, well, I usually get a little messy right here because I put all my stuff in there, and I do the same thing all over the track, pushing it, getting a little bit of the this stuff right here. And I'm sorry for the mess in the floor I got, guys, but you know, that's how this is a track, and it's a working I work with this track, and I put all my stuff in there, but it's just on the floor. Usually I pick it up, all the garbage and everything, by the weekends. But my seats, you know, always I keep it nice, clean, and with this oily formula I got to keep it without wrinkles. And you know, always keeping my seat. Let me show you guys the front seat of my truck right here. And you guys see I got my headphones, and I don't want to touch this because, you know, I use this to clean the windshield, and I want to touch it with an oily. But as you guys can see, look at these babies, look at this. You know, you see, now is the time to start putting a little bit more, because with the sun and in the cold weather, you know, everything start getting out this product and dry, and basically your seat. But you know, if you look at the difference with that, with that one, real oily, real nice, and this one is start getting a little bit dry. But as you guys see, you know, everything is nice and it's perfect. And usually I keep the seats like that for years. And you know, that's my advice, guys. This is an easy way to your truck seats always in mint conditions. Just use these products. And you know, they are very affordable. I think you're not gonna spend not even what, like maybe what, like $35 for both of them, maybe $40. That is really worth it, because this bottle is gonna last you at least maybe 2 years, I think, the minimum. I already used it twice, and look at this. Look at this. I already used it twice, and this is how that's the quantity I already used. All right, guys. Well, that's it. See you guys in another Just My Review. God bless you all, guys, and remember, stay tuned because I'm gonna have a lot of videos coming in. I was working real hard, and that's why I stopped making videos, but I got a lot of checkups I gotta do. My next video is gonna be related to the I'm gonna show you guys something that I did to the Nolo skid plate, and an advice for those guys installing the Nolo kit, Nolo skid plate, something to avoid. I got a problem when I installed this using the 4 screws, and well, I'm gonna explain you guys what happened, what I did to fix it, and well, thanks God, everything is nice and amazing. And well, guys, stay tuned. Probably is gonna be the next week coming in with that video. And again, guys, God bless you all. Thumbs up, subscribe if you're not, and see you guys later. Bye bye.